The 2026 Ford Maverick arrives with a bold mission to completely redefine what a compact pickup truck can be in the modern era. In a world where trucks continue to grow bigger, heavier, and more expensive, the Maverick refuses to follow the trend. Instead, it keeps everything Americans love about trucks: a utility, customization, everyday practicality, but wraps it into a smaller, smarter, more efficient package. In today's video, we're diving deep into this all-new 2026 Maverick, a truck that has quickly become one of the most important vehicles in Ford's entire lineup. Whether you're a first-time truck buyer, someone looking for functionality without the massive size, or simply a fan of innovation, the Maverick offers something truly exciting. For 2026, Ford takes everything buyers love: affordability, versatility, fuel efficiency, and enhances it with a strong hybrid system, refreshed styling, more tech, and improved capability. This is not just a compact truck, it's a lifestyle vehicle built for the modern American who wants a truck that fits their needs and their budget. Today, we'll break down every detail of this new Maverick in a way that's engaging, detailed, and tailored for true truck lovers. The 2026 Ford Maverick is built on Ford's C2 platform, the same architecture used in the Escape and Bronco Sport, but heavily modified to handle the demands of daily truck work. Under the hood, Ford continues to offer two powertrain options, but both receive important updates for 2026. The hybrid now uses a revised 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with an upgraded electric motor that delivers smoother torque delivery, better efficiency, and improved reliability. Together, the hybrid system now produces around 205 horsepower, offering a noticeable boost from the previous version while still delivering incredible fuel economy. The optional 2.0-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine remains the enthusiast favorite, now tuned for slightly better low-end torque and improved towing performance, giving drivers up to 280 horsepower and a towing capacity reaching 4,500 pounds when properly equipped. Inside the mechanical structure, Ford strengthened key suspension components, refined shock valving, and updated steering calibration to improve ride stability and body control. The Maverick still offers front-wheel drive as standard, with all-wheel drive available for drivers who want improved traction for off-road environments or snowy climates. The FX4 and Tremor packages return, giving buyers real off-road tools like skid plates, all-terrain tires, enhanced cooling, and recalibrated drive modes. Technology is another major highlight, with the 2026 Maverick receiving Ford's new Generation Sync interface, featuring faster processing, more intuitive layouts, new voice control features, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all trims. Safety gets a big upgrade as well, with a more advanced suite of Ford Copilot 360 features, including improved lane centering, adaptive cruise with predictive braking, and smarter blind spot detection that can now monitor trailers. Every detailer, from the dual-zone climate control, redesigned seat materials, larger infotainment display, to new customizable storage solutions, shows how Ford is focused on practical, everyday usability. The Maverick is no longer just an entry-level truck, it's now a fully capable, well-rounded urban and adventure companion. The exterior of the 2026 Ford Maverick receives a modern refresh that gives it a more mature, muscular stance without losing its compact proportions. The front fascia now features a bolder, more squared-off grille design inspired by the F-150 and Ranger, adding a stronger family resemblance to Ford's truck lineup. LED headlights are now standard across all trims, offering better visibility, sharper styling, and a premium look even on base models. As we step inside the 2026 Ford Maverick, the interior immediately tells a story of evolution, refinement, and smarter use of space. Ford knew that Maverick buyers wanted practicality first, but the brand also understood that the modern compact truck customer expects comfort and technology that feel far beyond the price range. That's why the 2026 model brings a full cabin redesign with richer textures, more premium surfaces, and a layout that feels both youthful and surprisingly upscale. The dashboard now flows horizontally with a wider center display that sits higher for a more natural line of sight, reducing eye movement and increasing safety. The new dual-layer dash design adds depth and dimension, using soft-touch materials in the upper section combined with rugged, scratch-resistant polymer textures in the lower half are perfect for owners who use the Maverick for work or adventure. Moving to the technology, Ford has upgraded the Maverick's interior from simple to smart and sophisticated. The 2026 model now features a massive 13.2-inch center touchscreen similar to what we see in higher-end Ford SUVs, running the newest Sync interface with better graphics, faster response, and deeper customization options. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across all trims, and Ford has finally added wireless software updates for the Maverick, meaning your truck will continue improving long after you buy it. The instrument cluster has also been redesigned. Either base models get a crisp 8-inch digital display, while higher trims receive a full 12.3-inch digital cockpit that can shift between navigation view, off-road metrics, hybrid energy flow, and classic analog-style gauges, giving the driver a sense of personal control over their driving experience. Rear passengers also benefit from Ford's focus on improvement. The 2026 Maverick maintains its smart upright design that maximizes legroom despite its compact exterior footprint, but Ford has refined cushioning and improved seat angles to support better posture. The rear bench still lifts to reveal hidden storage compartments, but these compartments are now larger and more squared off to fit tools, emergency gear, or miscellaneous items more efficiently. Comfort has become a major priority for compact truck buyers, and the 2026 Ford Maverick delivers improvements that significantly elevate the daily driving experience. The first major enhancement comes from Ford's new seat construction. Engineers redesigned the seat frames, added multi-density foam, and introduced better lumbar shaping to reduce lower back pressure on long trips. Whether you're commuting in the city, cruising on the highway, or bouncing along a dirt trail, the Maverick now feels more supportive and far more comfortable than previous models. The seats no longer feel like something pulled from an economy car, they feel closer to what you would expect in a midsize SUV. Cabin quietness is another area where Ford invested heavily. The 2026 Maverick benefits from improved sound insulation behind the dashboard, thicker door seals, acoustic side windows, and better under-carpet padding. These upgrades block out wind noise, reduce tire roar, and mute engine vibrations, creating a calmer and smoother environment even at higher speeds. For hybrid models, the electric motor contributes to whisper-quiet operation during low-speed driving, making the cabin feel especially refined in city environments. Temperature comfort has also been upgraded. Dual-zone automatic climate control is available on more trims, allowing the driver and front passenger to set individualized temperatures. The system uses improved sensors to maintain cabin temperature more accurately, and the redesigned vents deliver stronger, smoother airflow. For colder climates, Ford offers heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and even heated side mirrors for hot regions like the Middle East. In the performance department, the 2026 Ford Maverick continues to surprise audiences by delivering capability far beyond what most people expect from a compact pickup. This new model year refines its drivetrain options with noticeably smoother acceleration, better throttle response, and improved power distribution across varying terrains. The standard 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine remains the heart of the Maverick's performance lineup, now tuned to feel more responsive during merging, overtaking, and uphill climbs, giving drivers a confident, energetic push. Whether you're daily commuting, carrying a bed full of tools, or towing a small trailer, the Maverick maintains a stable, predictable behavior. Ford has managed to optimize the low-end torque so the truck feels punchy at city speeds while remaining balanced on the highway. Its hybrid powertrain option also comes with software improvements that create smoother transitions between electric and gasoline modes, allowing drivers to enjoy impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing capability. The steering calibration is sportier this year, with a quicker return-to-center feel that makes the Maverick feel more like a crossover in tight urban corners but still solidly planted on rural back roads. Off-road performance also benefits from refinements in the FX4 and Tremor packages. These upgrades include better shock damping, improved skid protection, and enhanced traction management that automatically adjusts torque to each wheel when driving through mud, gravel, snow, or loose surfaces. For a compact truck, the Maverick's off-road competence remains one of its biggest surprises, giving drivers the confidence to explore trails that would typically be reserved for larger mid-size pickups. The 2026 model's enhanced suspension tuning helps the truck glide over bumps and uneven terrain with less cabin disturbance, while the added ground clearance in off-road trims ensures that approach and departure angles are more forgiving. Even when towing up to its rated capability, the Maverick maintains strong composure, with the transmission delivering smooth, decisive gear changes and maintaining temperature even under heavy loads. Overall, the 2026 Ford Maverick's performance stands out because it blends practical power, refined control, and impressive versatility all in a compact footprint that remains incredibly efficient and user-friendly for everyday drivers. In conclusion, the 2026 Ford Maverick continues to dominate the compact pickup segment by delivering an unmatched combination of affordability, capability, technology, and everyday practicality. Ford has successfully blended truck functionality with the comfort and drivability of a modern crossover, making the Maverick the perfect choice for first-time truck owners, urban families, outdoor hobbyists, and anyone who wants performance without the size or price of a full-size pickup. With its refined exterior, smarter tech features, improved powertrains, and enhanced ride quality, the Maverick feels like a truck that has matured while keeping its core philosophy unchanged: simple, efficient, and extremely versatile. The updates introduced for 2026 aren't just minor improvements, they reinforce the Maverick's appeal as a forward-thinking truck designed for the evolving needs of American drivers. From its fuel-saving hybrid system to its punchy EcoBoost engine, from its user-focused interior layout to its surprisingly capable off-road configurations, the Maverick gives you more value than almost any other truck of this size. Ford understands its audience well, delivering a pickup that fits into tight parking spaces, performs confidently in all driving conditions, and keeps operating costs low. As competitors scramble to enter the compact truck market, the Maverick remains several steps ahead, proving that innovation doesn't always come from making a truck bigger, it comes from making it smarter. For 2026, the Ford Maverick stands tall as one of the most well-balanced and well-executed pickups on the road, offering the spirit of a truck in a package that perfectly suits modern life. For viewers considering their next vehicle, this is absolutely one of the strongest, most practical, most exciting choices available today.